I have no clue how this drawer got to that position. I also bought some extra makeup things that I ran out of, and we really need to tackle this. So, my teeny tiny bathroom, you guys. As you can tell, I have an overflow of product. And what I want to do now is I want to clearly declutter, especially these drawers. What is my goal with this? This is like for the minimalists out there as a tip to reduce your makeup. Number one is you need for, sorry, that's my Netflix opening. You need for every product one thing. So just like a product for every perspective or aspect you need. So like one foundation, one tinted moisturizer, for example, one blush, or like one blush set, something like that, in order to achieve a minimal makeup. Any makeup you don't use or you don't think is going to get you to maybe the luxury lifestyle, whatever. I am also wanting to transform to more luxurious product. I don't want to use more drugstore, except if it's a really, really good product that I can't get rid of or I love so much, then I will keep. But most of my drugstores are things that I found high-end to beat 10,000 times. So, for example, let's get started. L'Oreal Perfect Match here in Europe, this product. I didn't like that. Goes away right away. Also, it will come as a surprise to a lot of you guys. This one, this is a foundation, the Revlon Color Stay. Heard a lot of things about this one. It didn't work out for me at all because I couldn't manage to blend it well. Maybe it works for people who are experts, but that's not me. Way to go. Yeah, one that I'm going to keep is my MAC Studio Fix. It is already a high-end product. It's already something that I really, really like. Wait a second, let me focus this. It is a product I really, really like. It's a product that I'm willing to keep, and that would be actually my full coverage foundation to keep. A very horrible, horrible primer. I hated it. It actually makes my pores more prominent whenever I apply any foundation on this. So goes. Those are clearly not makeup, so not a petrol. The L'Oreal blush. I really like this blush, however, it's a one shade and I don't think I'm interested in keeping it. Definitely a keep. My Hoola bronzer. Oh yes, that's something to keep. I tried using this as a primer before and it worked. However, I have it like for after shaving my legs or something. I like to use that. Yes, yes, and yes, my MAC highlighter. I'm not sure if this is focusing. So my MAC highlighter, definitely a keep. This Clinique CC cream. Well, so far from the ones I've tried from the drugstore and I hated, the Garnier and the Maybelline, I didn't like them at all. This wins a bit. However, I am willing to try both the IT Cosmetics one and the Laura Mercier after I am done with that. But that's the one I'm gonna keep for now. To go. I had the idea to use this before as a highlighter. Doesn't work out. To go. This one from Kiko I used as a highlighter in the beginning and I really, really liked it. However, it broke on me, so yeah. Wait a sec. Yeah, it looks like that. But yeah, I'm getting rid of it. My absolute favorite MAC eyeshadow palette. I love this thing. It's to-go palette for me because, as you can see, it has neutrals, has dark tones, brownie tones, taupey tones. It works if you're a starter and you just want something quick to grab. Had this for years as a bronzer. I used to love it. It doesn't run out at all. But I don't think I like it more than my Hoola. So I'll keep Hoola as a bronzer and I'm gonna get rid of this. I used this for contouring for pretty long and I really liked it. However, I am not a big fan of harsh contouring anymore, so get rid of this. By the way, things I'm just keeping to say that I'm gonna get rid of. I'm not gonna like throw away. I'm just going to collect them, clean them up, and sell them for a very little price. I had this from Maybelline and I used to like it as the nude shade to like lighten up any lipstick. But I don't use it that much, so it goes. My Chanel mirror for the bag, definitely a keep. My MAC lipsticks are definitely a keep. I have here Velvet Teddy, which is almost over. I have here the Viva Glam, which is also almost over. And I have a third one, which is the Viva Glam Ariana Grande version, which is a very dark blacky burgundy color. It was a limited edition. So my 3 lipsticks from MAC are a keep. This was a small Gucci gift, Gucci Guilty perfume. I'm keeping this. And I have no clue why I put it to here, to this drawer. But yes! I've loved this shimmery palette from Wet n Wild so much. But I think I am willing to let it go because I don't want to have 2 palettes for eyeshadows when I don't wear eyeshadow that much anyways. We're getting somewhere. Do you see? This container is already empty. But everything else is inside. I've had this from NYX, but as you can see, I ate it all out. I'm gonna keep the Revolution blush palette. This is the one Golden Sugar for now because I did not get anything from the high end and I am actually looking for something that has like maybe 2 shades or something, but later on that. But this is what I'm keeping now. I've had this from Maybelline, the Master Brow Precise, for a while, but I'm willing to give it away because it's not that good for my eyebrows anymore. Cushion foundations, yeah, I would rather wear a tinted moisturizer or a CC or a BB cream. NYX purple color, not for me. This shade from Bourjois, those are the Velvet Rouge editions. I'm not a big fan of them anymore. These are two from the lingerie NYX collection that I'm actually willing to keep. One is very on the nude side and one is the embellishment. I really like those, so I'm willing to keep them. Sample. My 2018 makeup collection. Yes, minimal, but luxurious.